Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and today I wanted to talk to you about Runaway Art and Craft Studio. It's in Salem, Oregon. It's right downtown, and there's usually street parking and there's a free parking garage across the street. I was going there today because Dina Wakely was teaching a class, and it's in my regular stops anyway. I mean, this place always has something good. And one of my friends who couldn't go today asked me to make a video of the new products that were in the store. Well, there's a lot of new products in the store, so it took me a while. If you are in my area and you're not familiar with Runaway, you need to go in there and look around. If you're a paper crafter, a mixed media person, acrylic painter, watercolor, this video shows not even a tenth of what the store carries or the variety that they carry. It doesn't just target card makers or scrapbookers or mixed media people, but it does have stuff for everyone. Look at these. I love these embellishments. These are the ones that I stumbled upon at Impress in Washington last week or whenever it was, and turns out there's a whole bunch of them very close to me now. I didn't leave with any today, mostly because I forgot. But I'm hoping they'll be there, but I'm going to need some more stars. So I just wandered through the store and looked at the different paper lines that interested me. Look at this authentique. I have not seen this. Is this brand spanking new, or have I missed something? I just thought it was really neat. A lot of nice cut-aparts, a lot of blue, right? Aren't you proud of me? I didn't leave with it. It's not that I so much have financial restraint, it's that I'm trying to clean my room and I keep discovering more and more stuff in it that is piled up that I need to do. This farmhouse collection from Prima, I've heard a little bit about, but I hadn't really seen it up close. It is darling. And one thing that I like about Runaway is they have a tendency to bring in the line and get some stickers or some embellishments that go with it. I didn't make a video of them, but you should have seen all the beautiful Prima flowers that were in there. This store has cardstock, stabilos, stencils, distress oxides, pastels, so much stuff. There's no way I could film it all. Okay, I looked at this die and I thought about bringing it home, but I couldn't find a card sample with it. So I thought I'd look online. I want to be sure it has a really fat edge. This Spellbinders Hello is my favorite Hello. That's the one that my friend has that I really love, but I couldn't justify buying it because I just bought one last week. I was also looking for the Thanks that my friend has, but honestly, I like the font on that other one a little bit better. I just wasn't sure if it would have a thick enough border so that I would like it, because I do like to use the printed scrapbook papers with them and get that level of interest. Oh my gosh, look at this stack of paper. This isn't all one product line. That's one canoe too with the butterflies on it and down below, and then there's some other stuff up on top. But I love that they have put those together and said, Sarah, take these all home. This collection, maybe this came out last spring and I just don't remember it, but teal pickups, seems like I would have bought this if this was already out. So this has to go on my list. This is Cartabella Flower Market. Maybe it came out right after Spring Market, and so I was on a break from that product line, but I think I'm back in. Like I said, Dina was teaching there today, and the mini journals were there. Tons of her new products were there. The Collage Collective book. I can talk about that stuff more. I already had a couple of comments on my video to do so. So I'll talk about that some tomorrow and share my projects and a peek inside that collage book. Here are her new journal bands that just came out. Look at that blue one. Okay, I do like that one. I don't need those, but I like it. Those little journals are just going to be so fun, which, by the way, I didn't need a new journal either. But I got one. Thanks so much for watching and happy crafting. Bye-bye.